Hey everyone, it's Jem and Jess, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching. So I thought this painting was my custom that I ordered from Royal Diamond Painting, but I obviously wasn't reading the thing right. This is my Diamond Art Club that I ordered on Cyber Monday, so I'm so excited. Alright, so let's get to it. Put this down. I hope everyone's having a great day. Mine is definitely, it's alright, pretty decent so far. It is a little cloudy outside, but to be honest, I miss the rain. So I don't really like cloudy, but I love rain, especially after the longest summer ever that I just had. Alright, out of the box. What's this? My stick. Oh no, let me see. Okay. So this is a, can you guys see this? Splatter Alien, a 51 centimeter by 64 centimeter, and I'm pretty sure it's a partial, but I'm not positive. I know that it is a square though. You could tell, not just because it says right there, right there, but because of the blue line. If it has a blue line, I'm pretty sure that means it is a square drill. It has the how it works right here, and the contents right here. It says, you know, the canvas, the diamonds, etc., etc. This painting is supposed to have 40 colors, including 2 ABs. So, yeah, let's open it. Did I even cut it? Probably not. I get so sketch when I open anything with a knife or scissors because I'm so clumsy. I literally cut myself 90% of the time. See, this is what happens though when you're chicken and there we go. Come on. Whatever, I'll take this any day over DIY Moonshop's packaging, just saying. Okay. And this isn't the first Diamond Art Club canvas I've ordered. However, it is the first one I have opened and that I'm going to do. So I'm really excited. Like, I wasn't gonna get this, but I got like $8 or something. I'll tell you more. Oh no, all the baggies are falling out in the details later, but well, we got 80 million baggies. That's good. Did I get it all out? No, I didn't. Oh, the little bag was open, that's why. Well, let's try this again. Comes with a sticker with your legend right here. So that's pretty cool. This is a sticker, right? Yes. Oh, there's 2. Okay. So you get this one with a legend, and then you get the little sticker for your diamond painting logbook if you have one. I have one, so I'm stoked. I'm going to put that for sure on this painting's page. It comes with a bunch of baggies, apparently. I'm assuming it was in here. It was open. Let me put these back. Is it just me, or does everyone else have 80 million baggies? Oh my goodness. Okay. Tweezers. It comes with the tweezers. Poke your eye out one's my favorite, personally. Let me put those back before I actually poke my eye out. Sweet. Those actually look better. Oh, are they branded? Oh no, they're not. No branding. Comes with a cute heart-shaped wax, a 3-placer, I believe, a squishy for your pen. Oh, a cool see-through tray. I do like that, with the funnel, the pen, regular diamond painting pen. Is that it? Oh, 2 waxes, you guys. 2 waxes. My bad. I think that's the only multi-placer it came with. Huh. Am I right? Yeah. Oh, alright, so that's the toolkit that comes with it. Put that to the side. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Isn't that freaking cool? I've literally never opened one of these canvases before, so I do not want to screw it up. There we go, right here. Alright. Okay. This is poured glue, which is always a good thing. The canvases. Here's the drills. Oh my god. Beautiful. Love the colors. Okay, we'll get to that later. And there's also diamond painting instructions in here, but I'm not going to be taking that out. So let's see here. I'm going to, oh my gosh, this is so dope. And yes, this is a partial drill. I was right. Partial drill means, if you don't know already, that you only do the main part. You only put diamonds on the main part of the canvas. So the bigger, I'll show you when I unroll it. Let me roll this up real quick. Open up. And in case it doesn't flatten out, there, perfect. Look at that. It just literally straightens out for you. Oh my god, and it's so sparkly and beautiful. Look at this. If you've watched enough of my videos, I'm obsessed with aliens. I'm sure I mentioned it before. But isn't that freaking cool? Drill field is amazing. Oh my gosh, none of them look like they're gonna be a pain in my little white butt. You guys see that? Sweet drill field. So it looks like I'm only doing the 310s are not obnoxious because it's only the eyes. So that is good. And this little part, like, here, let me show you. This little part right here. I wish I could get it all in frame. Let me see it. A little better. So all this right here, I guess I don't have to do, which is why it's a partial. I only do the colors and the eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so sick. I can't wait. This is gonna be my next one, you guys, for sure. Okay. Now, so the drill field, amazing. Canvas, perfect. Now let's see what's up with these colors. It says 40 colors, including 2 ABs. Oh, let me measure it. Hold on, you guys. Let me get my measuring tape. So this is supposed to be a, what is it? A 51 by 64, it says. All right. Okay, let me see real quick. $51. So far, so good. $64. Perfect. Measures the size. Didn't expect any less, but you never know. Let's check out these bad boys. Alright, so we got gorgeous drills here. Oh, by the way, in case I didn't say, disclaimer, it's a little late, but there will be noise in the background. I don't know if you hear this circus music in the background, but I apologize. So we got 797. We got, of course, 310s. Ooh, I see a little trash, but that's expected in 310s. They are beautiful. They remind me of Dreamer Designs drills. 333, 3746, beautiful. 906, 796 again. 907. 3843, 956. Oh, I love that pink. So sick. 820, 155. This light purple right here. 602, 702, 701. Ooh, there's some pretty ABs. You guys see those? 138. Oh, I love it. 340, 823, 954, this green, I love green. 913 and 799. Hold on, there's more. Where's the other ABs? Ooh, it's the orange ones. Okay. I'll show you guys in a second. 601. 992. Here's the other ABs. 132. Gorge. 890. 740. 832. 600. 3608. Hold on. 3608. The pink. 912. 947. The orange. So pretty. Hold on. These things keep getting twisted. There we go. 647. You guys see that? Yeah. It's 3814. These right here. These ones. 603. 3033. 991. 519. Ow. My freaking hand. 3811. 646. 648 and 775. So those are all the colors. Beautiful, gorgeous. Totally cannot wait to do this. I would literally start it right now, but I'm really trying not to become like my friend, a serial starter, but I think it might be happening. We shall find out sooner than later. Now, the information on this painting. So, this again is called Splatter Alien. It's 51 by 64 centimeter, a partial drill square, 40 colors with including 2 ABs. I ordered this on Cyber Monday, which was November 30th. On the website, this cost $34.99, but minus the Cyber Monday discount, which was minus $8.74, the subtotal was $26.25. But with the shipping added, which was $7.99 plus my state tax, thank you California, which was $2.03 total, it totaled out to be, even with the discount, $36.27. So, which is crazy to me because it's like still more than what it is on the website, but whatever. Okay, so I ordered this November 30th once again. It shipped out the same day, and I received it December 10th. So about a week and a half it took to get to me, which is not bad. So again, here's the dope Splatter Alien, which I'm so excited to start. I'm definitely going to do this once my Ancient Heart is done. But that is it. I'm going to put this away now so I don't ruin it. The canvas is so soft and gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. Short and sweet and to the point. Hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!